Flower bed design, simple and stunning ideas for beginners. Creating a beautiful flower bed can immensely enhance the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. For those venturing gardening for beginners, the task of designing a flower bed may seem daunting, but it have to be. With the right flower bed design, you can cultivate stunning flower beds that serve as vibrant focal points in your home landscaping. Here, we present a collection of simple garden ideas and beginner gardening tips that will inspire you to create floral designs that are both easy to implement and stunning in appearance. Understanding flower bed design. Before diving into the realm of colorful flora, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of flower bed design. Whether you have a small patio or a grand backyard, understanding how to utilize your space effectively is crucial. Start by analyzing the sunlight, shade, and soil quality in your area, which will guide your plant choices and placement. Creating stunning flower beds. Incorporating a mix of heights, colors, and textures is key to developing stunning flower beds. Opt for a combination of perennials, annuals, and evergreens to achieve a garden that flourishes throughout the seasons. Select vibrant hues to create a dynamic interface in your floral design. Think of inviting shades of yellow, pink, purple, and red. By layering plants, you not only add visual interest but also ensure longer blooms as different species flourish at various times. Beginner gardening tips. For novice gardeners, starting with easy gardening principles can lead to impressive results. Begin by choosing low-maintenance plants that are well suited to your local climate. Research hardy species that can tolerate minor neglect, allowing you to build confidence in your gardening skills without the pressure of constant upkeep. Incorporate mulch into your flower beds to retain moisture and suppress weeds, promoting a healthy environment for your plants. Finding garden inspiration. Finding inspiration for your garden design can be as simple as flipping through gardening magazines, browsing online platforms, or visiting local botanical gardens. Observe how established floral designs complement the surrounding landscape, and take notes on what resonates with your vision. Adapt these elements to suit your unique space and style, and remember, the journey of gardening is also about embracing trial and error. Embracing easy gardening techniques. Lastly, don't shy away from embracing easy gardening techniques. Utilize raised flower beds for better soil control, which simplifies planting and maintenance. Consider container gardening as an alternative means to create stunning flower beds on balconies or patios without a dedicated garden space. These methods not only make gardening more accessible but also encourage creativity in your floral designs. In conclusion, flower bed design can be a rewarding endeavor for beginners. By utilizing these simple garden ideas, applying beginner gardening tips, and drawing inspiration from various sources, you can create colorful flower beds that elevate your home landscaping. Don't hesitate to experiment and nurture your garden. It's a delightful journey towards enhancing not just your space, but also your well-being.